Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just doing a quick get ready with me today, and I'm starting out with this Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, and this just helps to like blur the skin and creates like a smooth base. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm not too sure how I feel about this yet, but I've been testing it out and it's okay. I think it's just a little bit drying for me, and I'm just gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. I'm using my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer under my eyes. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of my Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer on top. And I'm also gonna use that to highlight my face because it's a little bit lighter. To lightly set my face and my under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is the shade Fair, and I'm just gonna put this mainly where I'm going to contour later. Next, I'm using this Kiko Milano bronzer, the Geometric Honey Bronzer, and I'm just going to use this on my face, and then to contour, I'm going to use the Catrice Prime and Fine little contour duo and just sculpt out my cheeks even more. I'm using a little bit of this Wet n Wild Rose Champagne blush on my cheeks. So this is the shade Fuego from the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collection, and I'm just applying this on basically my whole face. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Becca Moonstone just on the tops of my cheekbones because it's a little bit brighter than Fuego. I did do my eyebrows off of camera before, but now I'm just putting a little bit of brown mascara on because some powder got on them. I'm using the same concealer I used underneath my eyes to prime my eyelids. This is always what I do. I never really use an actual eye primer. I'm starting out with the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette, and I'm using that lightest shade up the top just to set down that eye primer and create a base for the other shadows. And then I'm going to use the light brown in the palette just to put in my crease. This shade is Bel Air by Colourpop, and I'm just putting this in my crease just because it's a little bit cooler than the last shade, and it's just going to add a little bit more of a shadow. And then after this, I'm going to go in with Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek, just mainly on the outer corners and into the crease as well. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow from Suva Beauty. It's called Eyeliner, and it's the darkest shade that I'm going to be using today. And I'm just really going to build this up on my outer V and blend it in. I'm using that same beige shade in the Carli Bybel palette just to highlight my brow bone and clean everything up. And then I'm going to go in with 3 shimmer shades from the palette and put this all over my eyelid. Obviously you could use one if you wanted to, but I just like the color it creates when I mix all of them. After I'm done blending, I'm using a little bit of that powder just underneath to clean up. This really helps define the shape of your eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use this Eco Soul pigment. I bought this at CVS. I think it's a Korean brand, and it's just a glittery eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this right on top of the shimmer shades that I have on. And now I'm using my Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid eyeliner just to create a thick wing. For mascara, I'm using the Catrice Glam Doll mascara, and I'm going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. I'm just smudging the browns that I used underneath my lash line before I go in and put some mascara on, but also I'm going to use the Kiko Lasting Precision Eyeliner in the shade 01, which is just a nude. This is what I do every day with every eye look. It just really brightens and opens up the eyes. for my lips, I'm using this NYX lip oil first, and I'm just going to rub this in a little bit, and then I'm using the NYX Orange lip liner. I think it's actually called Orange. And I'm just going to outline my lips and fill them in, and then I'm going to put the NYX Macaron Orange Blossom lipstick just on top. So that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!